Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how easy you can pair your KOSS in-ear earbuds with any iPhone or iPad. So first of all, you need to power off your earbuds by using this button. As you can see, the indicator is not activated. It means that they are turned off. Then you have to just click and hold this middle button and hold it until this indicator starts blinking blue and the red quickly. There we go. Right now, just put it close to your device, go to the settings, go to the Bluetooth and turn on the Bluetooth by tapping right here. Take a look for the devices list and just wait until your earbuds pops on the list. There we go. Select them, and after a few seconds we are successfully connected. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.